Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Fame and I have these press-on nails here today. I'm going to show you all how to put them on step by step because so many people ask me how do you apply these to make sure they last. We're going to get started today by pushing back our cuticles. This is a very important step. It makes make sure you put your nail on the nail bed evenly, because sometimes your cuticle can grow and cause your nail bed to appear crooked. But if you push back that cuticle, then you can fix that nail bed and make it straight. So once you've done that, you're gonna buff the nail. I'm using the roughest grit of this buffer. You can use a nail file. A nail file would definitely be much better. It will make sure that your nails adhere really well. Dust all of this powder off. You can use an alcohol wipe and dry your nails out if you like, just like dehydrating it. Now we're going to just take some glue. And you see I am putting a lot of glue in the well of the nail. Do you see? I'm making sure that you can see how much glue I put on this. Make sure you put a sufficient amount of glue if you want your nails to stay on for a while. You would use less if you want to be able to remove them a lot faster. You also have the option to prime your nails. You can dehydrate and use a nail primer before applying these press-on nails. That will ensure they stay on even longer. However, that's a step that I personally do not do because I like to change my press-ons every week because I mess them up while I'm doing nails, hitting them with the files. So I don't want mine to stay on any longer than a week. So once you do that, you just check your nails out, make sure the sizes fit before you apply the glue. And then you just go ahead and press the nail on. And you're going to hold that for about 15 seconds or so. Just make sure that that nail feels nice and secure. And you're going to just go ahead and repeat this process with all of your nails. And I'm going to recommend that you start with your pinky on your non-dominant hand first and alternate from pinky on, like if I'm right-handed, for example, so I would start with my left pinky, then do my right pinky, then do my left ring finger, then my right ring finger. The reason for that is it is going to be much easier once it comes down to you putting on the last few nails. It's just much easier if you go at it about that way. So just a little kind of FYI, that'll make it a little bit easier. So these are the press-ons and this is how they look now that I have applied them. I hope this video does help somebody out, and I hope you all are able to get your press-ons on to last. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching.